Hi guys, this is Neetu. I'm currently staying in Pune and recently I've shifted to a new flat. So thought of giving a tour of this apartment. Let's get started. So as you enter through the main door, this is what you will see at first. A hall room with attached balcony with a decent view and a big window. So this is the place where I jump, dance, do exercise or just chill with guests. So here is the big balcony which I don't use much, but it makes this place airy and full of light. Then beside the main door I have kitchen area which is a non-furnished one but has enough space to keep my minimal stuffs. Then with the kitchen I have attached balcony cum utility area where I keep my washing machine, hang my washed clothes and chill every morning with my warm water or milk. I really like to spend 5 to 10 minutes of my quality time here listening to chirping birds or play with raindrops. Then in front of kitchen I have bathroom and wash basin area. Bathroom is pretty simple yet useful and convenient for me. Then next to the basin I have a gallery wherein first comes the bedroom which is my most comfy place at this apartment. Pretty spacious and enough to keep all my stuffs like almirah, bed, vanity and some other stuffs. Then next to this I have toilet which is a simple Indian toilet, works okay for me. I don't mind not having western toilet. That's it. Thank you so much for watching folks. Bye.